How to create a social media post with AI. Are you starting an Instagram or Facebook page but don't have much time or motivation to create content? I have a fantastic solution for you. I've discovered a wonderful AI website that can generate quick content based on your preferences. The process is really simple, so let's dive right in. First, you need to visit the website designer.microsoft.com. I will provide the link in the description of this video. Once you are there, log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're on the website, you will notice that you can describe the design you want to create. For example, if you are looking to create content related to business, you can write something like an Instagram post about business. Now, you will have a wide range of designs generated for you to choose from. You can use these designs for your post or any other purpose. You can also create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. If you are not satisfied with the results, simply click on generate again and it will provide you with even more designs to choose from. Once you have found a design you like, click on it and then click on customize design, just as I'm doing in this video. You can also select another design related to your chosen design on the right side of the screen. Feel free to change the text to suit your needs. If you are lacking inspiration for the text, you can also use ChatGPT to generate text for your content. It works quite well. Now, customize the design to your liking. You will find additional options on the left side of the screen, such as different text styles and more. Once you are satisfied with your design, simply click on the download button located above. You can use this website for all your content creations, and it's incredibly simple and fast to use. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.